Bootcamps told you to learn a tech skill and you'll get a job. But nobody tells you that thousands are doing the exact same thing. Meanwhile, companies are hiring business problem solvers who happen to use technology. If you're watching this video, you're probably amazing at what you do technically. You can code, you can build solutions, you can solve complex technical problems. But here's what nobody tells you about succeeding in tech. Companies are not just hiring technologists anymore. They are not just hiring people who can use a particular tool efficiently. They are hiring business problem solvers who happen to use technology. And if you do not understand this shift, you're going to be left behind. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Omela Okroto, the Agile Analyst, and today I'll be sharing the mindset shift that separates the top 10% tech professionals from everyone else. Make sure you subscribe because I'll be diving deep into career strategies that actually work. Let me paint you a picture. You walk into an interview and you are asked about a time you solved a challenging problem. What do most tech people do? They talk about technical challenges, the algorithm they optimized, the framework they chose, the architecture they designed, all technical, technical, technical. Newsflash, nobody cares. Hiring managers have just one goal, and it is choosing a candidate who can solve a problem that can either make more money for them or save cost for them. The ideal candidate hiring managers are looking for is a candidate who understands the business acumen. Basically, talents are divided into two categories: the tech skill candidate and the business solution centered candidate. If you review a tech skill candidate's portfolio, you will see them listing out all the tools they are proficient in, all the tools they can use. They are only focused on tools and technologies. They lack business context and application. For a technical candidate, you will see things like, I'm an expert in AWS. However, recruiters would like to see if or how you can implement AWS to reduce infrastructural costs by XYZ percentage. The next category of candidates are the business solution candidates. The business solution candidates are more specific. They show how they use technology to solve business problems and generate revenue. The business solution minded candidate connects technology with strategic goals. They quantify impact and ROIs. The two candidates have the same technical skills, attended the same boot camps, but one will get hired at a premium salary while the other gets rejected. The difference isn't the technical skills, it's how they think about problems. Here's what I mean by thinking like a business solution candidate. Every single thing you build, every line of code, every system you design, it exists to solve a problem and generate revenue. Emphasis on revenue generation. Whether you're a software engineer, cybersecurity specialist, cloud architect, mobile developer, or DevOps engineer, you're not just developing solutions. You should be solving human problems that happen to require technology. Stop thinking, how do I solve technical problems? Start thinking, what business outcome am I trying to achieve? How can I use technology to get there? Now, let me show you exactly how to develop the mindset. It comes down to three questions you need to ask and answer before you start working on your portfolio. Question one, what business metric am I trying to impact? Is it revenue, cost reduction, user engagement, operational efficiency, risk mitigation? You need to get specific. Question two, Who are the stakeholders affected by this problem? Is it the customers who can't complete a purchase? Is it the sales team who can't access real-time data? Is it executives who need compliance reporting? You need to understand the human impact. Question 3, how do I measure success? Not just it works or it's deployed. How do you know you've actually solved a business problem? What numbers are changing? Here's what most tech professionals struggle with: translating technical solutions into business language. You need to become bilingual, fluent in both tech and business. Business acumen is a must-have skills in order to succeed in 2025. All right, how do you actually develop this skill? Here are 4 practical steps to start implementing today. Step 1, start reading business publication within your industry. If you work in fintech, read financial news. If you work in healthcare, understand the healthcare challenges. You need to know the business context you're operating in. Step 2, schedule regular check-ins with stakeholders. Don't just get requirements and disappear. Ask how work is impacting their day-to-day operations. What's working, what isn't. Step 3, learn to speak in ROI, return on investment. Everything you do should have a return on investment story. Time saved, money earned, risks reduced, efficiency gained. Start quantifying your impact. Step 4, present solutions, not just updates. Instead of saying things like, I worked on the API this week, try saying, I optimized the API which reduced server cost by XYZ dollars monthly and improve user efficiency on our mobile app. Now let's talk about how this transforms your job interview and career trajectory. When you're asked about an experience, don't just list technologies. Tell business impact stories. When asked about challenges you've overcome, focus on business challenges that had technical solutions.
For example,
Our customer onboarding process was taking 3 days and causing 20% of our new signups to abandon the platform. I built an automated workflow that reduced onboarding to 30 minutes, improving our conversion rate by 15%. This is what hiring managers and executives want to hear. They don't care if you're the best Python developer in the world. They don't care if you're the best at Microsoft Excel. They don't care if you have all the certifications. If you cannot connect your skills to business outcomes, you would not get hired. It's that simple. Here's what you should do immediately. Review your portfolio. Start with the business problem. Explain your technical solution and quantify the impact. Then practice telling that story until it becomes natural. Delete every bullet point that's just a tech stack. Add one sentence explaining who this helps and why. Include at least one quantified impact per project. Comment below if you need a portfolio review. I'll definitely give you a feedback. Remember, technical skills might get your foot in the door, but business problem solving skills gets you hired, promoted, and paid what you're worth. The most successful tech professionals are not just great at technology. They are using technology to drive business results and increase revenue. If this video changed how you think about your tech career, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe for more career strategy content. Drop a comment below with your business impact story. I'll read every single one of them. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.